Okay, the next one is principal axis. It's a line joining the centers of curvature of two surfaces of the lens. We can see here there is a straight line passing through C2 optic center and center of curvature C1. So the line joining the centers of curvature of the lens as well as passing through optic center is called principal axis. Okay, the next one is optical center. Now what is optic center? It is a point on the principal axis of the lens such that the ray of light passing through this point emerges parallel to its direction of the incidence, which means you can see in the diagram the ray of light which is shown by an arrow, it is passing through that optic center O. So it is passing outside, which is parallel to the incident ray of light, which means with respect to incident ray of light, the emergent ray which is coming out of the lens, this is not bending from its original position. So that is what the optic center, the point on the principal axis of the lens where any ray of light passing through it will never bend. That is called as optic center. The next one is principal focus. Now what is principal focus? The point on the principal axis of the lens such that the parallel rays of light after refraction through convex lens will meet at that point. So you can see in the first diagram, the parallel rays of light after refraction they will meet at that point, or the rays of light which are emerging or traveling from that point or moving from the point after passing through the convex lens remains parallel with respect to convex lens. And with respect to concave lens, any parallel rays of light after refraction they will appears to meet at that point, that principal focus. That is called principal focus. The next one is focal length. Now what is focal length? Distance between the principal focus and optical center of the lens is called as focal length. It is denoted by small letter f. You can see in the diagram the focal length is the distance between the optic center and f2, which is shown here, that is focal length. And in the concave lens the focal length is to the left side because rays of light will never meet after passing through the concave lens. They will always diverge. So when you produce the diverging rays of light in backward direction, the principal focus will appear to be on the principal axis. So the distance between the principal focus and the optic center is called as focal length.